Hey, food lovers! Got a craving but short on time? Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up something quick, easy, and delicious. Cheesy garlic bread bites. You won't believe how simple this is. For this recipe, you'll need some bread. I'm using sliced baguette, but any bread works. Butter, garlic, either fresh or garlic powder, shredded mozzarella cheese, fresh parsley, optional for a little garnish. Start by spreading a nice layer of butter on your bread slices. Don't be shy, this is what makes it extra tasty. Next, sprinkle in some garlic. You can use fresh minced garlic or garlic powder if you want to save time. Either way, it's going to be super flavorful. Now, top each slice with a generous handful of mozzarella cheese. You want it gooey and melty, trust me, it's worth it. Pop these under the broiler for about 2-3 minutes. Keep an eye on them because we want that golden, bubbly perfection. Look at these. Crispy, cheesy, garlicky goodness. Ready to devour in minutes. Optional. But a little sprinkle of fresh parsley adds a pop of color and flavor. These cheesy garlic bread bites are the perfect snack, appetizer, or side dish. Quick, easy, and oh so delicious. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. See you next time, and happy cooking!